Hey everyone, today I am excited to share my top 15 favorite products that I discovered at CES 2025 in Las Vegas. Let's dive in. Number 17 place goes to Smart Devil Dust-Free Box Series Screen Protector for iPhone 16 Pro Max. The Smart Devil Dust-Free Box Series Screen Protector offers premium protection with an easy bubble-free installation. Made of 9 age-tempered glass, it shields your screen from scratches, drops and fingerprints while maintaining clarity. It's the easiest and best screen protector I have ever used. Highly recommended. Number 16. At CES, I found the OpenRock X Open-Ear Sport Earbuds, offering great sound with deep bass and clear audio. They last up to 48 hours, have 4 mic noise cancelling, and customizable fit for comfort during any workout. The open-ear design helps keep your ears healthy, breathable, and aware of your surroundings. Just 5 minutes of charging gives you 1 hour of playtime, so your music never stops. Meet the Vtoman Jump 1800, your ultimate power companion for adventures, emergencies, or professional needs. Equipped with an impressive 1548 watt-hours capacity and 1800 watt pure sine wave output, the Jump 1800 delivers clean and reliable power wherever you go. In emergencies, it's a lifesaver. Keep your essential devices running when there is no electricity at home, whether it's to power lights or operate basic machines. The Jump 1800 can handle tools like a 700 watt grinder, a 750 watt drill, and even a 615 mower, all simultaneously. With 12 versatile ports, it powers everything from small gadgets to large appliances. Designed for every situation, it ensures you are always ready. Recharge it via wall outlets, solar panels, or even your car. The Jump 1800 adapts seamlessly to your lifestyle with 3 convenient input modes. Built to last, the Jump 1800 features a durable LiFePO4 battery with over 3000 charge cycles. Enhanced by our advanced LiFeBMC system for unmatched safety and reliability. It even jumpstarts 9-liter gas or 7-liter diesel engines, making it an essential tool for travel, work, and off-grid living. The Vtoman Jump 1800 is reliable, versatile, and built for the future. Number 14. Introducing the AUKEY LC-MC311A Magfusion 3-in-1 Pro Active Cooling Wireless Charging Station. This versatile charger powers your iPhone, Apple Watch, and AirPods all at once, with 15-watt fast wireless charging. The active cooling system speeds up charging and extends battery life. Save space, eliminate cable clutter, and enjoy a sleek, durable design for all your devices. Number 13. Introducing the Atom Fly More Combo, your ultimate portable drone companion. Captures smooth, crystal clear footage with its 3-axis gimbal and 4K Sony CMOS sensor, delivering stunning 4K at 30 FPS videos and 12 megapixel photos. Fly confidentially with PixSync 3.0, offering 6 km image transmission, and conquer winds up to level 5 at speeds of 38 km/h, all while staying under 249 grams for maximum portability. The advanced visual tracking algorithm makes following or orbiting your subject effortless, ensuring automated stable shots every time. Save valuable time with 60-watt super quick parallel charging, powering up 3 batteries at once, 3 times faster than before. With up to 32 minutes of flight time per battery, you will have plenty of time to create unforgettable memories. Another portable power station by BLUETTI, model AC2A, one of the best in the industry that offers amazing portable power stations that's big on features and convenience in today's world. With a 300-watt AC output and 600-watt power lifting mode, it's perfect for small devices and even resistive appliances like hair dryers and kettles. Its 204.8 watt-hours capacity offers extended battery life, while 270-watt turbo charging powers it up to 80% in just 45 minutes. Efficiency meets speed. Equipped with LiFePO battery, it guarantees over 3000 charge cycles, lasting more than 10 years under proper use. And it's whisper quiet, operating at less than 45 decibels. Stay connected with the BLUETTI app, giving you smart remote control via Bluetooth for a seamless experience. The AC2A delivers a seamless 20 millisecond UPS, keeping your devices powered without interruption. Backed by an industry-leading 5-year warranty and weighing just 7.9 pounds, the BLUETTI AC2A is your go-to portable power solution. Compact, powerful, and built to last. Number 11. PLAUD Note AI and PLAUD Note Pin are today's top-selling products. With cutting-edge AI transcription and summarization, powered by GPT-4 and Cloudy 3.5 Sonnet, capturing your meetings and calls has never been easier. Just start recording, and PLAUD takes care of the rest. It supports 112 languages, ensuring precision worldwide. Choose from multiple professional templates tailored to any scenario. With 30 hours of continuous recording, 60 days standby, and 64 GB storage, PLAUD is trusted by 500,000 users globally, is the world's #1 AI voice recording brand, and ranked #1 in the AI voice recorder category on Amazon. I highly recommend this brand, and if you are looking something like this, please check this out. Number 10. Introducing the Aurzen Zip Tri-Projector, the world's first tri-fold portable projector. Packed with cutting-edge technology, this compact device unfolds into a powerful display with a 5000 mAh battery, transforming any space into your personal cinema, office, or gaming zone. With wireless connectivity, stunning color accuracy, and crystal clear brightness, the Zip Tri-Projector brings your content to life. Lightweight and easy to carry, it's perfect for presentations, movie nights, or gaming on the go. Next up, the Anker Prime Charging Docking Station, a 14-in-1 powerhouse designed to elevate your productivity. With dual display support, ultra-fast 160-watt power delivery, and multiple USB ports, it's everything you need to power up, transfer data, and connect all your devices. Say goodbye to tangled cables and hello to the ultimate charging solution. Number 8 position of my favorite gear that I saw at the CES is Geekom's QS1 Pro, the world's first mini PC powered by Qualcomm, featuring the new Snapdragon X Elite chipset. With a fingerprint touch power button, it's a glimpse into the future of personalized computing. The release of this model is set for Q2 of 2025. The release of this model is set for Q2 of 2025. Geekom also showcased their other models at CES, like the A6, featuring AMD Ryzen 7 6800H and AMD Radeon 680M graphics, combined with the latest dual-channel DDR5. And here is A9 Max computer, powered by the AMD Ryzen AI9HX 365, paired with the AMD Radeon 890M and dual-channel DDR5. The perfect blend of power and speed are ready to give amazing power to your computer needs. Looking for ultimate cleaning solution? Meet the Mova K30 Mix Wet Dry Vacuum Cleaner. With its advanced 180-degree lie flat design, it delivers powerful suction even in tight spaces. Switch between wet-dry vacuuming, handling, cleaning, and specialized tools like the floor washer and mini brush all in one device. The K30 mix's impressive 18,000 Pascal suction power tackles both wet and dry messes, while its 140 degrees Fahrenheit hot air drying ensures your brush stays dry and ready for action. The K30 can easily clean homes up to 2,595 square feet without recharging. I recently discovered a new favorite brand in camera bags, and their McKinnon camera pack 25 liter by Nomatic has completely changed the way I carry my gear. The quality is completely next level. I have never seen anything like this. Adjustable ladder system and customizable dividers, making it perfect for any setup I need. Plus, it's very convenient to use. I first saw it at CES, and after trying it out, I swapped all my other cases for this one. With its water-resistant materials, comfort-focused design, and durable build, it's perfect for photographers and adventurers alike. This bag has truly become my go-to, and I highly recommend this. Next, the UGREEN NASync DXP 4800 Plus redefines what a NAS can do. Powered by Intel's 12th generation 5-core processor, it delivers unparalleled performance, making file management and data access a breeze. Whether you are managing 4K video projects or massive data libraries, this can handle it all. With 4 SATA base supporting up to 112 TB of storage, plus 2 NVMe SSD slots for caching or fast storage, it's a powerhouse for both professionals and tech enthusiasts. Thanks to blazing fast 10 GB and 2.5 GB ports, transferring large files has never been quicker or more efficient. Its dedicated app offers seamless control across Android, iOS, Windows, Mac, and even smart TVs. No third-party tool required. Additionally, UGREEN company took my attention on their other product, which is the Uno 65-watt 3-in-1 charger. Is a fun, fast and powerful solution for charging multiple devices. With 2 USB-C ports and 1 USB-A port, it delivers up to 65 watts of power, easily charging everything from iPhone to laptops. The robot design adds a unique touch, while the LED display keeps you updated on charging status. Compatible with wide range of devices, features built-in safety protection. Introducing the Baseus S1 Pro Outdoor Security Camera, the world's first solar-powered tracking system. With its innovative sun-powered design, you will have reliable power in any weather. The dual camera setup captures every detail with crisp 3K clarity, ensuring unmatched image quality day and night. Stay connected with real-time two-way chat, greet visitors, guide deliveries, or address unexpected activity right from your phone. Enjoy instant alerts for ultimate peace of mind and set it up effortlessly with flexible installation options. Best of all, there are no hidden fees. I highly recommend this to check it out. Next up at CES, I was impressed by Hollyland Lark M2S, the lightest wireless microphone in the industry, weighing just 7 grams. You will get crystal clear, high-end audio with a 48 kHz sample rate and 24-bit depth. It guarantees reliable performance no matter where you are. The powerful noise cancellation ensures your sound stays pristine even in the noisiest environments. Its discreet, hidden mic design offers ultimate flexibility, and with 30 hours of battery life, you are always good to go. Plus, it's simple to use and universally compatible, making it a perfect choice for any project. This is with the Hollyland mic, and this is with the iPhone 16 Pro Max mic. And the number one thing that surprised me at CES was the Reeflex G-series fisheye lens for iPhone. The quality looks amazing and will definitely help you unlock a world of possibilities with its immersive 220-degree ultra-wide view, perfect for action-packed shots, sports, events or live gigs. This 8mm fisheye lens is wider than your iPhone's built-in camera, delivering crisp edge-to-edge shots, making it more budget-friendly than a GoPro. With its multi-element gloss design, aircraft-grade aluminum body, and advanced coating, the Reeflex G-series take your mobile content creation to the next level. The lenses are compatible with their own high-quality cases, and they are easy to use. And here are the results from iPhone 16 Pro Max lens. And see the difference on this fisheye lens by Reeflex G-series. As you can see, the difference is huge, and I highly recommend this product. This is all for today. I hope you enjoyed it. Please don't forget to subscribe and leave your comments below, and I will see you in the next video.